Can you hear
Yeah,
me?
hello, and also, hello.
You wanted a
Yeah,
one off, and I gave you one off. You wanted now for that New Year's Day one off, so you
yeah,
got one off.
and
Okay.
also one more thing. I am actually wearing a background from Google Meet. This is
Okay.
not my real house.
Beautiful background. Very beautiful background. That's I think Christmas tree and other things. Beautiful background you have.
I
Okay.
downloaded this from a random website.
No, it's very good. It's very nice. And I think in the background I can see something like fire, and here Christmas trees and other things. Beautiful website you got. Beautiful background. Okay.
Yeah, the unsaved file.
Okay. So you can see the whiteboard.
Definitely.
Definitely, very good. Now we are having, supposing, first of all, I'll increase the font. That would be the sensible thing to do. No, 620. Okay, let us make it. 20 will make it. And
Um,
okay, wait. I'll first do the drawing, then I'll make the question. Now, this first point, it is first point is A, that is a place, name of a place, like Calcutta,
A.
Bombay. The second point is B, and the third point is C. Okay, these are three
Yeah.
places. These are three places in a straight road.
Okay.
A straight road is going from A to C, and these are the three places, right? So a man is starting from place A. The man starts running from place A. Now, from place A to place C, it is 96 kilometers, right?
Yeah,
The
yeah.
total distance he has to reach C. He has started from A. He will be running till C. Riding, he may be running or riding a bike or something. He will go till C. That is 96 kilometer, and he has reached B. Now he is in B. He started from A in the morning, and now he is at B, where AB is 46 kilometer. Now you have to find how much more he has to go. He started from A, he has already reached B. So what distance he has to go? How many more? So,
A to C.
huh?
No, this is 46 minus 96.
No, better 96 minus 46. Total minus
Alright.
point. Huh?
Alright, so 6 minus 6 is actually equal to 0. So it becomes 0.
No,
So
then,
first,
then
so the units are 0.
unit 0
Then,
then? Okay.
after that, we now subtract 96 from 46.
6 minus 6 is 0. What? Then now do the tens place.
So now you just subtract this and it's actually 50.
How much it will
50
be?
kilometers to go.
What is the final answer?
50.
50. Yeah, 50 kilometer. He has still to go. There is a kilometers. Always say the full answer. Not 50, 50 kilometers. He has still to go 50 kilometers. Right? He
Alright.
has still to go 50 kilometers. Very good. Now, let us say he is at now he is at now supposing he is exactly at midpoint, right? He is exactly at midpoint. Then what would be his position? He is exactly at midpoint. Then what would be his position?
Hmm?
He is exactly at midpoint. Means the total is 96. A to C, A to C, we call it AC, means from A to C it is 96. He is exactly at the midpoint. Okay, let us take it 100. A to C it is 100 kilometers, A to C. Now he is exactly middle, exactly midpoint. So what is the distance from his starting point? If it is exactly midpoint, exactly in the middle, means the distance he has covered and the distance he has not covered are equal, exactly in the middle. Then
Yeah.
what is his distance from the starting point? AB equal to how much? AB will be, we are saying that he is exactly at the middle of the middle of his journey, exactly middle. How much he has traveled and how much is left, both are equal. Then what would be his distance from A?
If he were at where?
He is exactly in the middle, right? So A to B distance 50. Very good.
Kilometers.
How did you get
50.
100?
Because he is exactly in the middle.
That means divided by 2. Middle means we are dividing it into two parts. One part is AB, one part is BC. Two equal parts. A to B one part and B to C one part. Two equal parts. AB and BC are equal. So two equal parts when you divide, that each part will be 50 kilometers. So 50 kilometers, what does it do? What does it say? He has traveled 50 kilometers and he has yet to travel 50 kilometers. Right?
Yeah.
He has traveled 50 kilometers and he has yet to travel 50 kilometers. Okay. A man had 50 liters milk. He has to pour them into 5 containers. This 50-liter milk, he is going to pour them into 5 containers equally. So each container will have how many liters?
Yeah.
How many? How many liters of milk? Yeah.
That will get to be 10 liters.
10 liters. What you are doing? 50 liters you are separating, dividing. So 50 liters divided by, put them into 5 containers, that will give you 10 liters. So what will be the full answer? 10 liters of milk in each container. The full answer should be 10 liters of milk in each container. Right?
Okay.
Now, suppose instead of 5 containers, he puts them into 7 containers and he pours 7 liters milk in 7 containers. Then how much milk is left?
So first we have to figure out what is 7 times 7.
Very good. What is 7 times 7? You know the table of 7?
Yeah. So comes 35.
No, 7 into 7.
Comes 35 starting from 5 times 7. Then 5 times.
Not 5 times. 7 times 5, then 7 times 6, then 7 times 7. 7 times 5, then 7 times 6, then 7 times 7.
Okay, I got it. So 7 times 6 will be...
7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6 would be? You can also have the table of 6, 6 times 7. 7 times 6 or 6 times 7.
Okay, 6 times 7 is 42.
That is 7 times 6 is 42. Then 7 times 7. 7 into 6 or 6 into 7 is 42. Now we want 7 into 7.
Okay, it's still in the 40s. 49.
49. So 49 liter he has poured in them. Then how much milk is left?
Only 1 liter.
Very good.
That the man can drink.
The man can drink, yeah. And if the man does not drink, he can give it to me. I will make coffee. That also he can do. 1 liter milk left.
But if he gives it to me, then I'll just make myself some tea.
You can make tea, I can make coffee. 1 liter is not a small quantity, it's a huge quantity. So actually, half of it you make tea and half of it I'll make coffee. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Milk. Then, I think you love to drink milk, no? Now, this sum, there is another way of doing the same thing. What this is the division. I think you have seen this division, this kind of division. Have you seen this kind of division? Yes or no?
I
have. So, now go 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 7 is 49. And when you subtract, you get 1. 7 times 7 is 49. On subtracting, you will get 1. So, there is also there that milk is left is 1. This is the division. Same thing what we did. There we did 50 minus 7 to 7. 50 minus 7 into 7. That is equal to 50 minus 49 equal to 1. That is one method and this another method. Both are giving the same answer. There is one method of doing, there is a second method of doing.
Yeah.
Got it?
But that's super advanced. Just figure out 7 times 7, then...
That anyway you have to figure out. Here also if you divide the first method, there also you have to figure out 7 times 7. Here also you have to calculate 7 times 7. Anyway you have to do it. Here also you are doing 50 minus 7 to 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Here also you are doing 7 times 7 is 49. That you have to figure out. But the two ways of writing. There are two ways of writing. Not that 7 into 7 that you have to do. 50 minus 49 that also you have to do. Only the two ways of writing them. In the first method, here also you are doing 7, you are dividing 7 times 7, 49, then 50 minus 49. And the second method, here also you are doing 7 times 7, 49, 50 minus 1. The same thing you are doing, but the two ways of writing. Okay?
Okay.
So, only the method of writing differs, not the method of calculation. So, what will be now, since you know the table of 5, what will be, supposing this one. Now, tell me how many times I should write. How will you divide this one? Table of 5. How many times?
Okay, so
Table of
5 times 2 times 7.
Not 2 times 7, but 27. 5. Say the table of 5. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2, 10.
5 into 5. 5 into 1. 5. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 3. 15. 5 into 4, 20. 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 6, 30.
No,
5
30. No, 30 is too much. We have got only 27. So 5 into 6, 30. That is too big. So you take only 5 into 5. 5 into 6 is 30, but you have got only 27. So 5 into 6 you don't need. You only need 5 into 5. Okay?
Okay.
Now 5 into 5, 25. Now if you subtract, how much you will get?
You subtract 25 from...
If you subtract 25 from 27, how much you will get?
That will become 2.
2. This 2 is called a remainder. This 2 is called remainder. And this 5 is called quotient. Got it? This 5 is called quotient and this 2 is called remainder. Then other two numbers, I'll tell you the names later. These two you remember. Okay. Now, if it is 7, because the table of 7 you are learning, into 32. So now say, what would be the quotient?
I don't know.
Yeah, table of 7. 7 into 1, 7 into 2.
7 into 32?
Not 7 into 32. 7 into 1, 7 into 2, 7 into 3 until you get 32 or when you cross 32. 7 into 1, 7 into 2, 7 into 3.
Okay, well, that is 7 times 5.
7 times 5 is, yeah. No, 7 times 5 is 35. So you will take the 7 into 4. 7 times 5, 35. 35 means you are crossing 32. It's bigger than 32. So 7 times 5 you cannot write. So 7 times 4, you have to write a smaller number. 7 times 4. 7 times 5, 35. Too big. You have to get within 32. Within 32, you cannot cross 32. So without crossing 32, if I say
7
35,
times 4.
4. If I say 5, 7 times 5, 35 means you are crossing. Don't cross. Danger level, don't cross. 28. So what would be the remainder?
28.
What would be the remainder?
4.
4 remainder. So what is the quotient? Which is the quotient?
4.
And which is the remainder?
4.
4. But this 4, the top 4 is the quotient and the bottom 4 is the remainder. Right? So what
Right.
would be if it is 7 divided by 60? Now say how many times? 7 divided by 60. Now 7 into 1, 7 into 2, go on.
Until we
without crossing 60. We go on until you cross 60, but don't cross 60, just before crossing 60. 7 into 1, how much? 7 into 2, how much?
7 into 3 is 21.
Yeah.
And all the way till 7 times 5, it is 35.
7 times
Then
35.
42, then 49.
7 into 7, 49. Then one
Then
more.
after that, 56.
56. 7 into 8, 56. Then
56 is the limit.
Limit. Because 7 into 9 will give you 63, which is crossing 60. 7 into 8, 56. That is the limit. Because 7 into 9 will give you 63. 63 means you are crossing 60. You are not allowed to cross 60. So without crossing 60, the limit is 7 into 8. So 56. And then what will be the remainder?
The remainder will be 8.
60 minus
8.
56, how much? If you subtract 60.
Yeah, that's 4. That's 4.
4. So what is the quotient and what is the remainder?
4 is the remainder and 8 is the quotient.
8 is the quotient and 4 is the remainder. Very good. 8 is the quotient, 4 is the remainder without crossing. So, a man had, say, 65 oranges.
Yeah.
He distributed oranges equally among 7 boys. So question will be 1. how many oranges did each boy get? How many oranges did each boy get? And second question will be, how many oranges he has left? How many oranges are still left? So your distributing means division. That much is clear. Distributing means division. So among 7 boys, 7 divided by 65. Now say how much it will be. 7 divided by 65. How many times? The word distributed means dividing and distributing, separating into groups. One group for one boy, second group for second boy, third group for second boy. You are dividing into groups. So 7 groups. So how many times?
Yeah.
Now say 7.
Remainder 2.
How many times?
How many oranges are still left?
No, that is okay. 765. How many times will go? 7 into 1, 7 into 2.
Times 65.
Not 7 times 65. 7 into 1.
Okay.
Huh?
I know
7
the
into
limit.
1, 7 into 2, 7 into 3.
It's 56 again.
No, not 56. 7 into 8 is 56. What is the next one?
63.
Yeah, how many times? 63. 7 into 7. How many times 63? 63 is the correct answer. 7 how many times?
7 how many times?
7 into 8 is 56. So 7 into 9 will be 63.
Yes, 7 into 9.
7 into 8, 56. 8 times 56. So 9 times 63. So you got 63.
Okay.
And remainder? What is the remainder?
9.
Remainder?
2.
2. So quotient is 9. 9 is for the first one. How many oranges did each boy get? That answer is 9. That is the quotient. The quotient is the answer for the first one. And how many oranges are still left? That is the remainder. That is 2.
No. Here is the exact number of how many oranges each boy would get. 9.2857.
No, you are not allowed to break oranges. Okay. Right?
Alright.
So
In short terms, it would be 9, but in long terms, it would
no, in some
be
cases, fraction may be allowed. In some cases, it may not be allowed. Like how many men in each group? If it is oranges, you can cut. How many men in each group? Now, you cannot cut men into 2 and 3 pieces.
Yeah.
If I'm having, for instance,
But you can cut oranges.
oranges, I can cut. Supposing this is the question. There are 87 men. Put them in 9 equal groups. Now you cannot cut men. Don't say half men.
Definitely no half men.
So what will you do again? Now groups. Separating into groups means division. Right? Separating into groups means division. Separating into groups means division. Right? This clear? Separating into groups equal to division.
Also, it's 29.
Okay, so separating into groups equal to division. This part is clear?
Yeah.
Now, so divide 9. You will divide 87. Now, table of 9. You know the table of 9?
Yeah.
So 87 9, 9 to 1, 9 to 2.
9 1 by 9, 9 2 are 18, 9 3 are 27, 9 4 4
9 4 is 36.
36, 9 5 are 45, 9 sixes are 65
9 6 are 54.
are 54. And then
9 sevens are
that 9 sevens are
just you're doing 7 into 9, you're doing same thing. 9 sevens are 63.
63.
9 sevens are
Then
9 eights are
9
9
eights
sevens
are.
are 63. 9 eights are
Okay, let me tell. This should be yeah, for this one I don't know.
9 eights are 72.
9 eights are 72.
And 9 into 9?
That will be 90.
9 nines are?
90. And then 10 nines
No,
are
10 9. 9
9.
into 9 how much? 9 times. 9 into 8 72. 9 nines are?
9 nines are 9 nines are 90.
9 tens are 90. 9 nines are? 9 10 times will be 90, but 10 times you can't put. You will be crossing 87. So that is outside the limit. You got only 87. You can't write 90. So 9 10 you can't write. 9 nines are?
9 nines are
9 nines
90.
are 81. 9 tens are 80. Beta. How can it be 9 nines are 80? 9 tens are 80. 9 nines are 81.
Okay.
9 nines are 81. So how many men are left? Subtract now. Subtract.
Now subtracting 81 from 87. So
Yeah.
this will just be 6.
6. So what actually we are going to, what is this 9? 9 is quotient, right?
Yeah, we all know that.
And but what does it mean actually? What is a quotient? What is a quotient telling you, and what is the remainder telling you? 9 is a quotient. It is telling you 9 men in each group. That quotient 9 is telling you 9 men in each group. And the 6 is telling you 6 men left over. 6 extra men left over. Means they could not be put into a group. Because you need 9 to put in a group. So you got only 6. So 6 men left over. This is what you are saying. 9 what you are getting quotient, that is 9 men in each group. 9 groups, each group 9 men. And the remaining 6 is extra 6 men left over. That is the meaning of the quotient and remainder. Right?
Right.
What is the meaning of remainder and quotient? Quotient will say how many in each group or how many groups, and the remainder will tell you how much left or how many left extra. So if you divide 18 into 3 groups, how much will be there? What will happen? 18, suppose 18 men, 18 boys. 18 boys are put in 3 groups. What will happen? So do the same thing. Grouping means dividing. Grouping means dividing. So this will be, remember this, grouping, dividing into groups, separating into groups. Separating into groups.
Separating.
Dividing.
You spelled a little bit wrong.
Yeah. Now it's okay.
Yeah.
So, separating into groups means dividing. Whenever you are putting them into different groups, it is dividing. So, how many times? Now you know the table of 3. Don't tell me I don't know the table of 3.
3 1 3 3 2
Yeah.
3 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. So the max limit is 15.
No, 15. You can don't cross 18. You can be equal to 18. 18 can be there. You cannot cross 18. It cannot be 19 or 20 or 21. 18 you can have. Because 18 minus 18 is 0. That you can have. 18 is allowed. 15 is not the limit. 18 you cannot cross.
Okay, then 18 is the limit.
18 is the limit. Means 18 you can have. You cannot have more than 18. Equal to 18 is okay. So the remainder will be how much? What is remainder?
9. So 18 minus 18 is 0.
0. Now what does this tell you? What does a quotient tell you? Quotient is 6. What does it tell you? What does it tell you?
7. I don't know.
6 boys in each group. You have got 3 groups. So 6 boys in each group. In each group, there are 6 boys. And what does 0 tell you? Remainder equal to 0. It tells you no extra boys left over. No extra boys left over.
All right.
That is, no extra boys are left over. After grouping, you have got all the boys are in groups, no boys outside the group. When remainder is 0, this is called exact division. Exact division means remainder should be 0. Whenever it is exact division. Exact division means remainder is 0 and the smaller number 3 is a factor. You have already learned factor. The smaller number 3 is a factor of the bigger number 18. Because you are getting remainder 0, only when you get remainder 0, it is a factor. If you don't get remainder 0, it is not a factor. Right? You will get a factor only if the remainder is 0. Got it?
Got it.
So, factor means exact division, that means remainder 0. All are same thing. Factor means exact division, means division remainder 0. All the thing mean the same thing. It is a factor, its exact division, remainder 0, all the 3 things mean the same. Same thing we can say factor, the same thing we can say exact division, the same thing we can say remainder 0. So, is 3 a factor of 22? This is a question. Is 3 a factor of 22? What will you do? You divide and see whether you are getting remainder 2 or not. Let us, say how many times?
How many times?
Without crossing 22. It can be equal to 22 but not crossing 22 or less than 22. Equal to 22 or less than 22. Either exact 22 or less than 22 but not crossing. So how many times? 3 into 1, 3 into 2. You know the table?
Starting from 3 times 15.
Hmm.
No, starting from 3 times 5.
Yeah, 3 times 5 is 15. Then next.
15. Then 18.
3 times 6 is 18. Say how many times you have to say. Just read it. 3 times 6 is 18. Then?
Then 3 times 7.
3 times 7 would be? 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 would be?
I don't remember.
3 times 7, 21. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. And 3 times 8 is 24. So where we are crossing? 3 times 7 equal to 21. 3 times 8 equal to 24. So which one you will take? You will take 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. So which one should I take?
3 times 8 because it's 21.
21. 8 is crossing. 3 times 8, it will be crossing that. It is crossing the limit. So take 21. So you get 21. And what is the remainder?
Reminder. Well, that'll be 1.
1.
Literally.
So is it
1.
exact division? Is remainder 0? Is remainder 0? Yes or no? Yes, remainder is 0. Yes or no? Are you getting remainder 0?
Am I getting reminder 0?
Yes or no? What is the remainder? You are getting remainder 1. So are you getting remainder 0? Just say yes or no. Remainder equal to 0, yes or no?
Reminder equal to 0 is no.
No, because remainder is equal to 1. No. So when remainder is not 0, is it exact division?
No.
No. Only when remainder is 0, it is exact division. So remainder is not 0, it is not exact division. Then is it factor? No, it's not factor. Is it factor? Factor you will get only when remainder is 0 and exact division. So no. So the question was, is 3 a factor of 22? So 3 is not a factor. 3 is not a factor of 22 because it is not exact division, remainder is not 0. So 3 is not a factor of 22. Okay?
Okay.
Because remainder is not 0, it is not exact division, so it cannot be a factor. If remainder is 0 and it is exact division, then only you can say it is a factor.
Yeah, but can I send the message in the chat?
Yeah, what message you want to send?
I want to send a message in the chat, but the chat option isn't showing for me.
Okay, it doesn't matter, you can say what you want to say. Instead of sending the message,
No,
you
it's
can say
actually a symbol. It's actually a symbol.
a symbol. Okay, you send me by WhatsApp later. Okay, so that
Okay.
is a thing. Okay, so
Okay.
yes, learn the tables properly. At least the tables of 3 you are saying after that. Learn the tables properly, right?
Okay.
Learn the tables
Right.
properly. So next Monday we'll join, right?
Next one. Okay.
So next Monday
By the
we'll
way, do you
join.
like the background?
Huh? Yeah,
Do you
beautiful
like
background. Oh, actually, you again change the background. What, every time
Yeah.
you're changing the background, you're not answering. When change the background when we are not doing the class, or tell me that I'm going to change the background, then I'll give you a few minutes time.
No, let me just change my
Yeah, you can
background
change,
to my
but
normal one.
during the class, if you are changing, you tell me. Then I'll for 1 minute I won't teach. Then you can change and then tell me.
Okay.
Yeah, when the class is going on, if you want to do something else, tell me. Then I'll give you say 10-15 seconds time. I'll give you. Then we can start the class. Right?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. And how was your New Year?
Great. And happy New Year.
Happy New Year. What did you do? Anything special?
Well, first, I got a bunch of gifts.
Bunch of gifts. Very good. You told me your friends. Yeah, oh, that was Christmas, na? Your friends they gave you some chocolates or something.
Yeah, and then after that, I got a Mool Cool drink.
What did you get?
A Mool Cool drink.
Oh, cool drink. Yeah. Then.
And then after that, I got absolutely nothing, so I decided to enjoy my snacks in the meantime.
Yeah, snacks. What about what snacks?
What snacks? A Mool Cool and a lot of chocolates.
Lot of chocolates. Okay. If you have more chocolates, I'll come. If the chocolates
Well, I
are
don't
not
have
finished.
any more.
Oh, you're finished.
Like,
What?
yeah,
Chocolates finished?
Yeah.
Nothing. You did not give for me. Very bad. I thought if you have chocolates left, I'll come and you have finished all the chocolates. Next time you get the chocolates, tell me, I'll come. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.